We've got some incredible body tricks for you to show your friends.
Want to find out how you can stop your mate standing on their tiptoes?
We're now going to teach you a trick. So, Xand, stand there. Can you stand on your tiptoes? Look at that, well done. So, Xand, I want you to stand against the door. And I just want the tips of your toes very slightly beyond the door. Just stand so your whole chest is against the door. And you're like that. Stand on tiptoes. Come on, stand on tiptoes. Yeah! No, I can't do it. I can't do it. This one. Come on, Adam. Go.
And it's not just Xand that can't do it. He can't do it. She can't. And nor can he.
Oh, cheating, you move your feet.
So you all failed to do it, didn't you? Now, does anyone know why?
The door being there, you can't go forward and you push backwards and stay on the ground.
Alex is absolutely right. When you go on tiptoes, it's not just your muscles pushing you upwards, which is easy. You've also got to balance. And to do that, your brain tells you to move forwards, then upwards to distribute your weight evenly and stop you from falling.
So if you can't lean forwards, you just fall backwards like that.
Or like that. Some people think that kissing is disgusting.
Well, some people think it's quite nice.
Well, take a look at this and make your own mind up. I'm going to show you how bacteria are good for you.
Look at all of these people. Now, they all look different, but they all have something in common. Every single one of them is covered in millions of bacteria. We all are. But don't worry, this is completely normal. In fact, we need bacteria to survive. Now, this is a Petri dish, named after its inventor, Julius Richard Petri. Doctors like me use these dishes to grow bacteria and see what lives on our bodies. That's what I'm going to do now, starting with our lips.